Hi, I'm Grace. My project is Strasbourg Lens, an explainable system that predicts which article of the European Convention on Human Rights the court will find violated using the facts of a case. The problem: justice delayed at scale. The European Court of Human Rights receives tens of thousands of applications a year and carries a serious backlog. Helpfully, every judgment opens with a factual summary before the ruling, which gives a clean prediction problem. Facts in, violated articles out. It's multi-label. One case can breach several articles or none at all. Here we have goals and business value. We have two objectives, one principle. Two objectives predicts accurately and explains every prediction. In justice, setting a reviewable rationally is a requirement, not a luxury. The value is triage and prioritization. Solving likely violations so scarce judicial and legal aid resources go where they are needed. It assists, it never adjudicates. Moving on forward to background and literature. The field moved from simple features to heavy transformations, standardized by the LexGlue benchmark. But recent work warns about spurious cues and co-founders. I took the other road, a transparent model that stays competitive while keeping every decision open to scrutiny. Moving on forward to data. 11,000 real judgments. The data is LexGlue task. A 9,000 train, 1,000 validation, 1,000 test. All real judgments, no synthetic data. The key challenge is severe class imbalance. Article 6 fair trial dominates the corpus while religion, assembly, and discrimination are rare. That's why I report macro F1 alongside micro. Here we have the methodology, a transparent pipeline. The pipeline is deliberately simple. Join the facts, TF, IDF over uni and bigrams. A 40,000 term legal vocabulary. Then one versus rest logistic regression. One inspectable classifier per article with a 0.55 threshold turned on validation. It trains under 20 seconds. I did test SVM, Naive Bayes, and Legal BERT. Moving on forward, we have the results. On the held out test, set micro F1 0.73, macro F1 0.65, and mean ROC AUC 0.96. Competitive with reported transformer baselines from a fully transparent model. It's dependable where cases are plentiful. Life, ill treatment, liberty, and property all reach out around F1 0.8, and honest where they are scarce like religion, and crucially ROC AUC stays 0.90 to 0.99 across all 10 articles. So the risk ranking is strong everywhere. Explainability. Predictions you can read. Because the model is linear, it's legible. Each article has a signal vocabulary. Article 3, keys on cell, detains ill treatment. Article 10 on newspaper defamation. These are correlations, not legal reasoning. But every term traces back to the case text. The corpus even shows structure. Two-thirds of property violations arrive with a fair trial breach. The classic unenforced judgment pattern. Here we have the deployment of the Strasbourg lens. The Strasbourg lens ships as a working dashboard. Here it is in action. A user pays the facts and gets the per article risk instantly. You can see the predicted violations ranked by confidence against the 0.55 threshold. Three things make it a tool, not a black box. A threshold slider to move between precision and recall. An explanation of the phrases behind every prediction, and the model's own analytics built in. Because inference is linear and visible, every decision stays contestable. Moving on forward, we have ethics. Support never substitution. For honest risks, prediction is not justification. The model reads vocabulary, not law, so state and style references are biased. That's all for the presentation. Thank you so much.